Hi everyone, this is your pal Kate Hart here, and today I'm going to be, since I already showed you all of my fabulous liquid lip, cream lip collections here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you lip liners. Now they're not technically matte lip liners, they're kind of like lip pencils that I use that's actually full-on lipstick, but I use them as liners. So, and a little secret of mine, I rarely use lip liners just because I don't mean to brag, but I happen to be very good at getting that perfect lip in there without liner. But sometimes it's just nice to have a little high def. But it's like I find putting lip liner on me is very more challenging than without it. So, alright, we're going to take a look here. I need my mirror here just because sometimes I just need that up close kind of look. Okay, so lip liners. Alright, I got two different ones. This is something very basic. I got a pink one, like a pink nude color, and I also, ouch, my fingers just, so here is like a pink nude color here, and here I have a red color. So definitely two colors you should have in your lip liner kit. Because it's like when you think of your basic everyday lip colors, you want to think pink, nude, red, and even brown, because this way you can mix these sometimes too if needed. And then sometimes even if you just have like that off color, it can still give, like for example this red could still give a pretty nice brown. It depends on how deep it is, because this is like a dark cherry kind of red. And it might not be suitable for like really dark brown, so it just depends. But let me go ahead and just show you a pink on pink and a red on red, and I'll just save all of my other tips and tricks for another video. So here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my top lip pink, and then I'm going to do my bottom lip red. So I know, just bear with me, it is going to look funny because it's a duo color, but I want you to see the difference with the pink and with the red. So here we go. Actually, I'll go ahead and use my MAC Fashion Legacy for the red, and for the pink I'll use the Perfection Victoria's Secret. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to take my mirror here, so just enough for you to see on camera what this looks like. So I usually start on the center here, very lightly, and then I work my way up to each side. Sometimes I go up and down on the sides just to even it out. And sometimes I draw on the lip for a little bit so I can put the lipstick over it and even it out from there to fill it in. Remember, with lip liner, you just want to draw just enough of a line. It's almost like connecting the dots, and then you're going to color it in with the actual lipstick later. So this is why I hate doing lip liner, because I find it more difficult to do than just putting the actual product on. Alright, so here's the red. Now we're going to take the pink to go on top. Alright. I always start at the center here, so the Cupid's bow. I apologize, a little bit of red has kind of like smeared on from the top here, but I do have the pink on. It's just hard to see. We can still put product over that, but it's the same principle. Just draw it down. And see, this is what it would look like, except for the smearing part. This is what it would look like to give you an idea of connecting the lines. Start in the middle, work your way down, and do a little upward and downward strokes just to even it out. And then the bottom here, up, and then down, just to connect the dots. Okay, so I'm going to take the MAC liquid in the Fashion Legacy. So this is going to be the bottom lip. So here we go. See how I'm like filling in the lines here? And then just go over top of it. Because this will help you define your shape. Sometimes I've seen people do to where they actually use the lip liner just to leave it on the very bottom to give it a little something. But me, I'm just going to kind of like just fill it in today. So you can see how, I mean, right now it looks a little goofy, but you can see how much fuller they are, even for thin lips like myself. That how much it has filled in and brought my lip out even more. Okay, so now we're going to do the top in the Victoria's Secret Perfection. Okay, and there you have it. You can see the top here in the pink. And then you can see how I filled in the bottom lip with the red. How you could just perfect the lips in so many ways. And how you can affect the lips in so many ways. If you want to make them look a little fuller, or if you want to make them look thinner. Again, this is fuller for me because I filled in on the bottom here where my bottom lip actually looks bigger than my top lip, which I should work a little bit more on the top. But see, sometimes even the colors, depending on what you have, can sometimes have an effect on it too. Now, if I did this, now you can see a little bit more of a difference. I actually edged out more of my Cupid's bow to where it looks pointier. And I just did it rounded on purpose so you can see it rounded and you can see it pointed. So yeah, here is the lip liner. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications for more Makeup Mondays on the way. Bye.